Hi, welcome back. So I have a customer's brought in a chipped knife, global, and I've got a couple of choices. I can bring that edge back down and grind it all the way back down to here so it's got a nice slope and maintain its original shape, or I can take a shorter approach and grind it to be a smaller version of this. So what I did is I laid this over the knife and come up with this. What do you think? I'm glad you agree. So I'm going to do that. So it's going to need a little radius there. Take that black bit off and it should work beautifully. We'll see. If not, I can always keep grinding. But let's head over to the sanding machine and see if we can't give this a better shape. And then I'll sharpen it and test it. Hang around. Well, my recording got a little bit mixed up. I pressed stop instead of start, but this is what it looks like. I like it. It's got a nice satin edge, but I'm going to smooth it out just a little bit more. Polish it over here. Because the chrome oxide makes an excellent polishing paste. It's very fine, about 8,000 grit. Beautiful little repair. I'll sharpen it up quickly. Actually, this edge is a bit how you going. So I might take it back over to the sander and just give it a quick touch. Hold your coffees. You stay here, no need to come with. Beautiful. Careful. Where's Chili? Hello, Chili. Say hello. Don't want to say hello? Okay, so basically That's the repaired edge. And what I look for, if we can get that to focus, is a shine all the way along, even without any black marks, which are the chips. So that's all done. We'll give it a cheeky 30, so probably 28 or so. Straight into it. You probably hear that there's no crunching, which means that we're on the super fine setting. And not only that, but the global knives themselves have a tendency to smooth the wheel out even further. No burr. And that's about as much as I'm going to do without getting a burr. Even though the edges are coming along and there should be a burr there soon, it's going to help it along with a bit of 80 grit. Now you hear it crunching straight away, a different sound. Might do 2 passes. Straight away got a burr. Great suggestion, Chili. Just gave it an extra pass there because the heel was not identical on both sides. A little bit underdone on one side. So So that's great. Now, so I've converted a utility knife into a little mini bunker. That's cool. All right. That looks nice. See the little silvery edge on the top, which is where the honing has put a little secondary bevel, kind of. Or is it the primary bevel? I don't know. Bit of a multi-facet on the heel there, but it catches the edge, so we're good. Look at this fantastic repair again. Oh, how good is that? You might have to thank your mother for the rabbits on that one. I think that's a fantastic repair. Right, let's drop. Let's do a before and after test. Jeez, it's not bad already. Needs a little bit of work. Needs a little bit more. This always seems to need at least 10 strokes on each side, if not a little bit more. I haven't been able to get away with just 2 or 3 strokes. So, strokes I mean. So I don't know what's going on there, but it could be that that burr, the root of the burr, is very stubborn, the wire edge, and it really needs to be coaxed off there. Oh, great entry. Nice continuation. Magnificent ending. That is a great result. What do you think? Fair repair? Or should I have made it into a utility like it was originally and kept that shape? I don't think it matters really. You know, the back doesn't, how thick this is doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is that edge maintained the length. So that's the top of the chip still there. And it looks fantastic. Great repair. I'm very happy with that. So thank you for watching again. You're one of the best watchers I've ever had. Like the like. Subscribe the subscribe. And join the club. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.